Today, I'm really excited to take a look at this. This is a secondhand copy of Mother 3 that I picked up at the store Trader in Akihabara during my last trip to Japan. I haven't opened this yet. I picked up this acrylic case to put Mother 3 in once I unwrap it. So let's take a look. Oh man, they put the sticker directly on the packaging. Hopefully that comes off pretty easy. Let's see. Oh yeah, that is a great sticker. I have never seen a sticker come off so easy. Cool. All right. So excited. I've been to Japan before, and I tried to get a copy a long time ago, but I didn't manage to get one. So we'll just open this up. Just like that. I've always admired how well some of these used games are taken care of. Wow. There it is. There is Mother 3. Nicely wrapped up. Put that off to the side. Looks like we have a Club Nintendo registration code and care stuff. So I don't really need that. What else we have in here? I think we'll have the manual. Oh, so cool. Oh yeah, it's a moves list. That's really cool. I didn't know that came with this. On the back. Oh yeah, picture of a Game Boy Micro with controls. And I think here we have the manual. We have a table of contents. And we have Nowhere Island, so we have a map of the world of Mother 3. And then we have our characters. Oh, look at that, look at that. So cute. That's really cute. Yeah, so we have all the different systems you can play it on. And then we just have instructions, naming your character, how to save, and all that jazz. Very cool. Very, very cool. Oh yeah, and some of our enemies. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah, I really like this. That's great. This is in amazing condition. So this cost 10,600 yen, which is about, at the time, 106 Australian dollars, or about 66 US dollars. And I think that's a great bargain for something of this quality. So I'm actually going to keep Mother 3 out and put it in its own little case. And I'm going to put the manuals and stuff back in the box. So I'll do that now. So I got this nice acrylic case on AliExpress. And I was actually waiting for this to arrive before I opened it so I could keep it nice and safe. Slip it in just like that. Cool. Very nice. Now I have the box nice and protected for storage where it won't get dinged up anymore. And now I have Mother 3. Let's test it out. And we'll just open up Mother 3. Very cool. Oh, and there's a save file. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like they definitely beat this game. Very cool. If you haven't played Mother 3, it's an amazing game if you can get your hands on it. Yeah, I'm really happy to have this in my collection. I guess now we just put away the cartridge, which is, again, in amazing condition. Okay, so I've got this little Game Boy Advance case. I also got these on AliExpress. And now Mother 3 is nice and safe, and I can access it whenever I want. Very cool. So I'm going to put this on my shelf and put this with my games. Thanks again for watching. If you like this video, I do kinds of regular product reviews. Sometimes I look at old games and other knickknacks I have laying around. If you're interested in any of these cases as well, I'll put some links in the description where you can find them if you're looking for that sort of thing. All right, I'll see you next time. Don't forget, like, subscribe, yada, yada, yada. Bye-bye.